If your loved one is into action sports, filmmaking or photography, a camera or accessory would be a highly appreciated gift, to say the least. And there's never been a better time to own a new camera, as the latest technology will let them take better photos and video than ever. It can be difficult to know where to start, though, with all the camera models out there, let alone the numerous accessories like backpacks, memory cards, tripods and more. Fortunately, we've done all the research and found cameras at a wide range of prices, along with accessories that will help your giftee get the most out of their gear. Number 1. Canon EOS R100. Canon's latest budget mirrorless camera is the EOS R100, and it's a great gift for that special someone just getting into photography, not to mention one of the best cameras you can get right now. The 24.2 megapixel sensor delivers beautiful photos with warm skin tones, and it supports 4K video, albeit with a crop. It's great for travel, street photography and more, and can even capture bursts at up to 6.5 shots per second. The R100 comes in at $500, although it's often on sale for a bit less, though you'll likely want the $599 package with an 18 to 45mm f/4.5 to 6.3 kit lens. Capture every moment seamlessly with the continuous shooting feature, ensuring you never miss a perfect shot. The eye detection AF adds a touch of precision, locking onto subject's eyes for sharp, focused results. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a professional, the EOS R100's capabilities make it a versatile companion. Number 2. Joby GorillaPod 3K Stand. One of the most useful accessories out there for a vlogger on your gift list are Joby's famous mini tripods, and the best one for the money is the GorillaPod 3K. Attaching your camera couldn't be easier thanks to the secure clip-in mounting plate with a built-in level. And the flexible legs let you set your camera anywhere to shoot, or even wrap it around a tree or other object. And of course, you can bend them out for the ideal vlogging angle and steady out your shooting to boot. Crafted for professionals and enthusiasts alike, the GorillaPod 3K stand offers robust support for your DSLR camera, ensuring steady and sharp images. The adjustable ball head allows for 360-degree panning and 90-degree tilt, providing you with the freedom to compose your shots with precision. Compact and lightweight, the GorillaPod 3K is easy to carry on your photography adventures. Its durable construction and sturdy joints make it a reliable tool for any situation. Number 3. WD My Passport SSD. Photographers always appreciate the gift of storage, particularly fast storage. Western Digital's 1TB My Passport SSD fits the bill with fast speeds of 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabits per second write speeds, fast enough to back up the entire drive in around 20 minutes. It's drop-resistant up to 6.5 feet, offers USB-C connectivity, supports 256-bit ISO hardware encryption and can often be found on sale for less than $100. With its compact and durable build, the My Passport SSD is your ideal travel companion. Toss it in your bag, and you're ready to carry a massive 1 terabyte of storage capacity wherever your adventures take you. Say goodbye to traditional hard drives bulk and hello to the convenience of SSD technology. Speed matters, and the My Passport SSD delivers with lightning-fast data transfer rates. Experience swift access to your files, whether you're editing videos, transferring large documents, or simply backing up your important data. Efficiency meets convenience with this SSD. Number 4. Lowepro ProTactic BP350A2 Backpack. The ProTactic 350A2 from Lowepro is a versatile camera backpack that makes a great gift for any photographer. It's comfortable whether you're doing a shoot across town, in the middle of nowhere or in another country, and spacious enough for a generous amount of photo or video gear. Lowepro claims you can carry a Pro DSLR and 24 to 70mm zoom, plus 8 extra lenses or flash units, along with an additional DSLR and 13-inch laptop. It's also modular, with adjustable dividers, removable straps and multiple pockets. Built with versatility in mind, the ProTactic 450A2 is more than just a camera backpack, it's a modular system that adapts to your unique needs. No need to worry about the weather, the all-weather cover adds an extra layer of protection, safeguarding your gear from rain, snow, and dust. The rugged black design not only exudes a professional aesthetic but also ensures durability for the demands of your busy lifestyle. Number 5. Rode Wireless Go 2. If the vlogger in your life doesn't already have one, Rode's wireless and shotgun microphones are solid, affordable gifts. The Video Mic Go is ideal for interviews and run-and-gun shooting, thanks to the crisp directional audio and relative ease of use. It comes with a shock mount to eliminate bumps or vibrations that could interfere with sound and doesn't require a battery, unlike past Rode models. Meanwhile, Rode's Wireless Go 2 is one of the most popular wireless lavalier mics out there, functioning as both a microphone, for up to 2 subjects, and wireless transceiver. It offers a reliable connection and good audio quality, or you can maximize clarity by connecting external 3.5mm microphones like Rode's Lavalier Go, the Sennheiser Pro Audio ME2 or others.